Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing and review for the iBealous wax warmer kit. So it comes in this neat little packaging with your wax warmer. The plug is 3 sprang and it comes with these small wax sticks and the larger ones. Smaller ones for like your face and then the larger ones for the rest of your body. It has 4 color wax beads. You have purple, pink, yellow, blue. You have a little card there, thank you card, and your manual. Alright, so it comes with the lid, some containers, you have those, and your pre and post treatments. So you have your after oil and the pre-treatment spray. Alright, so the wax can be lifted out. This is what we'll be pouring our beads in to melt. And let's get it fired up. So that is the notch for adjusting the temperature. Today I'll be trying the yellow beads. So we're gonna put it on max temperature to get it melted. Alright, so you just allow it to melt right through. You can use the wax stick just to stir it, and you'll see the consistency, and you just test it on your wrist just so it's not too hot. Use your pre-treatment spray on the area and you just remove the excess with a paper towel or cotton. Then you spread your wax. Let it cool.